People can't hear you on your iPhone? Most mic problems trace to a few simple causes. Fix 1, the most common cause. Clean the 3 mics with a dry toothbrush. Never go wet. Fix 2, volume up, volume down, then hold side to restart. Fix 3, check mic permissions and settings. WhatsApp and Zoom are common culprits. Fix 4, your voice may be going to Bluetooth. Disconnect a car system or lost AirPods. Fix 5, the iOS 18 mic bug. Swap mic mode mid-call. It's not fully patched. Still muffled? Record in voice memos to test. Full guide on fone.tips. On iOS 18 and 18.0.1, there's a known mic bug. While on a call, open Control Center, tap mic mode, and switch between standard and voice isolation. That toggle revives the audio stack. Your iPhone has a buried setting for where call audio routes. If it's locked to a missing Bluetooth device, the mic can silently fail. Open Settings, Accessibility, Touch, find call audio routing, and set it to automatic. Reset network settings sounds drastic, but it only clears Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and cellular configs. Your photos, contacts, and apps stay put. Go to General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings, and reconnect afterward. The fastest hardware test is voice memos. Record yourself speaking for 30 seconds, then play it back. Clear playback but failed calls means a software issue. Muffled or quiet playback confirms the bottom mic needs repair. Why does iOS 18 mute the mic? It's a regression in the audio session manager. Swapping mic modes can drop the call's input bus. Toggling forces a full rebuild, which rebinds the input to the bottom microphone. If voice memos confirm a dying bottom mic, a clip-on lav microphone sidesteps the failing hardware. On a USB-C iPhone, it clips near your mouth so callers get a clear, closed voice with no battery to charge. When playback is muffled, book a repair. Software can't heal torn gaskets or water damage. Check warranty at apple.com/support. Under AppleCare Plus, the mic may be covered, and an authorized provider can mean same-day service. Work these fixes in order. Brush the mic and restart first. On iOS 18, toggle voice isolation. Then check app permissions and Bluetooth. Hardware faults are the last bucket on this list, not the first to investigate. That pair, brushing the mic and a restart, fixes most callers can't hear me complaints inside 5 minutes. If playback stays muffled, it's a repair. Get the full 9-fix walkthrough on fone.tips.